A test drive of the variants of the 4 vehicles unveiled recently at Frank Motors, Shillong, that include the Tata Harrier, Nexon, Punch and Altroz for the media fraternity of Shillong and a few YouTubers had taken place on Saturday the 28th of May 2022. The test drive that was flagged off at the Frank Motors showroom at Laitkor, Shillong passed through narrow and wide roads across Laitkor, Nongkanri, Laitlingkot, Malem, and later culminated at the showroom at Laitkor in Shillong. It may be mentioned that on Wednesday, 25th of May 2022, the showroom of Frank Motors was inaugurated at Laitkor Rngi, Shillong. Those who attended the program included Commissioner of Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya, Israel W Ingty, the Deputy General Manager, Regional Sales, Tata Motors, Northeast, Soumen Paul, the Proprietor of Frank Motors, Eva Passah, invitee staff and others. Partnered by Tata Motors Private Limited, the showroom aims to cater to communication needs of all classes of consumers as far as passenger cars are concerned. On the same day, 4 vehicles of the Tata Motors Private Limited were also unveiled.
I take this opportunity to flag off this roadshow and test drive from Frank Motors Tata Motors dealership from here to Malem. So wishing you all a happy and safe and enjoyable drive.